watching out for you. This is Newswatch 12 Midday.
We're going to check in with Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Oliver Smith again. Oliver, you were kind of telling us earlier that this cloud cover is going to burn off in just a little bit, and there's going to actually be sunshine this afternoon.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice day later on. We just have to deal with the clouds. There are some signs that it's already starting to burn off a little bit. Not in this particular image, but trust me, it's going to be happening, and it's going to be pretty nice later this afternoon. It is 49 degrees, so a bit on the cool side still here in Medford. Not a whole lot of wind either, but looking at our satellite and radar composite, you can see we do have some clouds. The thicker clouds are off east of the Cascades right now, but we're starting to get just a little bit of clearing west of the Cascades, even more so though along the Oregon coast. So the forecast for today, we're looking at mid to high 50s east of the Cascades and 60s west of the Cascades. So a pretty nice day once we get rid of the stubborn cloud cover that we have on hand right now. And tonight, it's going to be nice because we're going to have a pretty clear sky and temperatures cooling off a little bit more. Temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s east of the Cascades and right around 40 degrees here in the Rogue Valley. But with the clearing sky, it'll be a little bit easier to get some fog to redevelop, especially over towards Grants Pass, getting closer towards morning. But over towards Brookings, we're still looking at a pretty clear sky, forecast low of 44 degrees. So looking at our stormcast for today, you can see we're in that northwesterly flow. You can kind of follow the arrows here, and it's going to be we'll have the wind picking up today, but nothing really all that significant, maybe gusts to 20 miles an hour, and that's really about it. Once we go through tomorrow morning, we'll start seeing a little bit more of the cloud cover yet again, kind of like what we're seeing right now, and then we'll see sunshine again into the afternoon. So just a very, very nice day once we get past the cloud cover. Now things change a little bit more once we get towards Wednesday and Thursday. In fact, now we're no longer in that not strong northwesterly flow. Kind of notice the arrows along the Oregon coast, they're going generally from the north to northeast. So we're getting a little bit more of an offshore flow, which means that clouds are going to have a harder time developing and kind of hanging out. You can see there's just not much in terms of cloud cover by the time we get towards Wednesday and into Thursday. So it's going to be really, really nice towards the middle part of the week. Now, if you're thinking about going camping in the next several days, as you can see, it's going to be pretty nice. We'll have to deal with the cloud cover for tomorrow. But other than that, Wednesday, Thursday looking very, very nice. Temperatures still very cold in the morning, between about generally 25 to 30 degrees. Pollen, yeah, if you have the allergies, sorry, there's not going to be a whole lot of relief because of the sunshine and the mild temperatures. It's going to stay fairly high all week long with no real relief until maybe this weekend. Now our storm tracker is showing that the cold air that is up to our north right now, that system is going to just give us some clouds, but we're going to be dominating with the warmer air. So we're going to slowly warm up over the next several days. And then we kind of peak towards the latter part of the week as high pressure really just kind of sets up shop. No real systems in our area. Until we get towards Friday and into Saturday, we'll have to pay attention to our storm track kind of aiming right at us, but most of the energy actually goes up to our north for Saturday and into Sunday. So the system is going to be a pretty wimpy one when it moves through our region. Then high pressure looks to build back yet again. So here's our forecast for the Oregon coast. Temperatures staying into the 60s for the next several days. Pretty nice weekend, or pretty nice week. Overall, maybe some showers for Saturday. Northern California, 60s and 70s will be the forecast for the next several days. Perfect outdoor weather. Lows generally into the 30s. For the Klamath Basin, also very nice. A little bit on the breezy side for the next couple of days, but just really, really nice overall. Still cold overnight lows in the upper 20s and low 30s. Cascades, we'll see more sunshine as the days go along and temperatures stair-step their way up into the mid-60s by Friday. And here in the Rogue Valley, beautiful conditions once we get past the pesky clouds, and then we're going to be looking at 75 to 80 by the end of the week.